Senior lawyer Prashant Bhushan has raked up another controversy by comparing Romeo's with Indian deity Lord Krishna. He tweeted, and I quote, "Romeo loved just one lady, while Krishna was a legendary Eve teaser. Would Adityanath have the guts to call his vigilantes anti-Krishna squad?" Unquote. Prashant Bhushan stoking another controversy. Brijesh Pandey, Deputy Editor, joining us on the phone line for more on this. Brijesh, when there are talks of hard Hindutva, Yogi Adityanath at the helm of affairs in Uttar Pradesh, talking about Lord Krishna is going to get Prashant Bhushan in, I'm sure, legal as well as political trouble.
I think, BJP has reacted very strongly to it. One of their spokespersons, Sambit Patra, has said that to understand Lord Krishna and what he did, you have to take several births, and Prashant Bhushan is just not compatible, mentally compatible to understand the myriad ways and leelas of Lord Krishna. And there's a widespread anger and condemnation of what he has tweeted in the BJP. Now, whether they will go ahead and take legal action against Prashant Bhushan or not remains to be seen. But interestingly, Ankit, political parties cutting across the spectrum have criticized. In fact, even Somnath Bharti of Aam Aadmi Party has said that, that Prashant Bhushan, when he was in Aam Aadmi Party, he had embarrassed the party by talking about Kashmir, and then, if he would have been in the party, he would have again embarrassed the party by speaking so loosely on Lord Krishna. So the tweet of Prashant Bhushan has definitely not gone down well with political parties, especially the BJP.
Brijesh, there have been a lot of controversy around this name as well, Anti-Romeo Squad. There have been people from the world of literature, there have been professors and intelligence, those have been saying that, Romeo does not signify what this Anti-Romeo Squad is doing. So is there a rethink in the name as well?
Well, there are several times, you use a word which is in the common parlance, which doesn't do justice to the original name, for which it is being used. There are people who say that, who object to the word Eve teasing by saying that instead of Eve teasing, you should just call it plain sexual harassment.
Yes.
So what I've got to know is that, yes, there are various people who have raised objection over the name. They said that, Romeo Romeo was definitely not doing for which his name is being used. But as of now, the government, there is no rethinking in Uttar Pradesh government.
Stay on with me. Swami Chakrapani is also joining us on the phone line. Swami Chakrapani, thank you so much for joining us on the phone line, sir. Mr. Prashant Bhushan says that the name, he has objection on the name and he has dragged in Lord Krishna in the controversy. How do you react to that, sir?
हिंदी में बोलिए, हिंदी में.
जी, मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि प्रशांत भूषण जो हैं, जाने माने जो लॉयर हैं, उन्होंने एक ट्वीट किया है, उसमें उन्होंने कहा कि जो उत्तर प्रदेश में एंटी रोमियो स्क्वाड है, रोमियो तो सिर्फ एक ही महिला से प्यार करता था, लेकिन कृष्ण जी को उन्होंने बताया है कि वो ईव टीजर थे और उनका क्या आदित्यनाथ ये जो ग्रुप बनाया है उन्होंने, उसका नाम एंटी कृष्णा स्क्वाड रखेंगे क्या?
देखिए, ये जो प्रशांत भूषण जी है, ये तो ऐसे ही अब वहां पे जम्मू कश्मीर में पहले भी अलगाववादियों के समर्थन में बोल चुके हैं, तो इनका व्यक्तित्व उसी प्रकार से और उल जुलूल चीप भाषा बोल करके ये सिर्फ सुर्खियों में बने रहने का एक तरीका है। भगवान कृष्ण पे जिस प्रकार से इन्होंने टिप्पणी की है, बहुत ही दुर्भाग्य टिप्पणी है। पहले भी इनको उसका राष्ट्र विरोधी बयान देने का खामियाजा भुगत चुके हैं, लेकिन अब देखिए, अब ये सीधे धर्म पे हमला कर रहे हैं और धर्म हमारे भगवान कृष्ण को इस प्रकार से बातें बोल करके कहीं न कहीं धार्मिक भावना को ठेस पहुंचा रहे हैं, जो निश्चित रूप से एक अधिवक्ता ये है, एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक होने के नाते इनको नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, लेकिन बोल रहे हैं तो निश्चित रूप से बड़ी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और इन पे कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। और हिंदू महासभा की तरफ से हम इनके खिलाफ FIR भी करेंगे। इस तरह के अगर शब्द इन्होंने बोला है, अभी हम वो किए हैं, प्रदेश अध्यक्ष अपने बोला है मैंने, और जैसा भी होगा इनके खिलाफ हम कार्रवाई करेंगे, लीगल कार्रवाई।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। That was Swami Chakrapani of the Hindu Mahasabha, already planning to take Prashant Bhushan to court over this. He is ready to register an FIR against the noted lawyer.